Okay, properties of definite integrals. Okay, use the given information and the properties of definite integrals to evaluate the following integrals. You should have the properties of definite integrals if you're in your notes. So they like these problems on the AP test, and here's how they work. Okay, so I want to find the integral of f of x from 0 to 6. Well, I know the integral from 0 to 4, and I know the integral from 4 to 6. So what I can do is I can say this is equal to the integral from 0 to 4 of f of x dx plus the integral from 4 to 6 of f of x dx. So that's really 9 plus 3, or 12. Okay, let's look at number 2. The integral from 6 to 4. Well, there's a property that goes like this. The integral of a to b of f of x dx is equal to negative the integral from b to a of f of x dx. So this is just negative the integral of 4 to 6 of f of x dx. So it's just negative 3. So if you change the order, and you could do this for yourself, you can create a problem and work the set the limits of integration backwards or inverted, and you will see that you just get a negative value. Okay, now number 3, there's another property that says this is just 0. If you think about it, so let's say you have a function f of x, and you want to find the area from 4 to 4. Well, the area isn't really there, it's just a line, so the area is 0. And you could also create a problem and work it out where you have limits of integration that are the same, and you will get 0. Okay, and number 4, 5 f of x. Well, that's just a constant multiple. Like integrals are limiting processes, so anytime you have a constant, you could always pull the constant outside of your integral or your derivative or your limit. And so I get 5 times whatever this value is, which was 9. So I get 45. And that's the properties of definite integrals, and you should be able to see that in your notes.